we have three main factions in Iran at the moment. First of all is right-wing principalist, which Mr. Raisi is a representative of them. The second wave is, people who live in suburbs, out of cities, and they have been ignored since past 20, 30 years ago. Mr. Mahmoud Ahmadinejad is representative of these people, and they are more from quantity point of view than Mr. Raisi's faction. And the third one, which is, in my opinion, is the biggest one, is reformist movement. If people become hopeful about the future, they will participate in the election and we will be winner. Civilized society in Iran is changing very fast, and the change of shape of governing the country is inevitable in the future. I am looking forward. I am waiting for changing the way of governing the country, even through the shape of Vilayat al-Faqih, dramatically in the future. Civilized organization will be much more powerful in the future. For example, during last election, you have seen that how it has been harmful, lack of participation, 20 to 30% of people for the whole country.
ومع الإحصاءات التي تشير إلى معدلات التضخم الكبيرة ونقص العملات الأجنبية، تبقى إيران في حاجة ماسة لتدفقات الاستثمارات. لذلك فإن تغيير السياسات سيصبح أمرا حتميا، سواء فيما يخص الوضع الاقتصادي أو حتى الاتفاق النووي. فليس أمام حكومة رئيس خيار سوى التصرف بعقلانية.